Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Google Chrome in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for Google Chrome in your preferred search engine. Now go to the download link of Google Chrome and click on Download Chrome button. Choose your distribution and click Accept and Install button. Wait for the download to complete. Now open the terminal and go to Downloads folder using cd command. Enter the ls command to check the folder for Chrome package. Now enter the installation command, sudo dpkg -i, then package name. Give your password and press enter. Wait for the installation to complete. Google Chrome is now installed. To check the installation is success, type the command google-chrome -- version and press enter. The installed version of Google Chrome will be displayed. To open Google Chrome, click on the menu icon and go to Internet. Now click on the Google Chrome.